We have silos of security systems around the schools. We have security cameras, we have door locks, we have intercom systems, we have all of those things, but they're working independently of each other. This system's going to bring all of that together and allow it to work with a single push button. So say for instance, in an office, they hear there's a situation going on in the halls, there's a situation going on off the campus, out by the school. Principal can initiate with a switch a series of events that will happen that will trigger lights, that will trigger door locks, that will trigger announcements that will be pre-recorded and played, and also trigger calling parents or any of those things. In a situation where a principal's having to deal with this, a specific event that's happening on campus, he doesn't have to organize all these events, they can happen all at once.